All right, so we're here at the Navac booth 2024 at AHR. We already went over the manifolds with Zane. These new NEXUS manifolds are really popular right now. Some people still love manifolds. I'm definitely a probes guy, but these are some pretty cool looking manifolds. As we're walking through, we've got the Flex series, which are sort of a simple digital analog kind of combo configuration. I love this one because it's nice and compact. A great sort of backup manifold to use. One of the first things that I used with Navac years ago was their recovery machines. Some of the best in the market. You get the NR7, which is a simple compact recovery machine. You get the NRDD that obviously we've talked a lot about over the years. One of the main things that I would definitely encourage you guys to get, if you don't already have it though, is this Y. That makes it really easy to connect two hoses, two 3/8 hoses, and still connect to the 1/4-inch port on the recovery machine itself. We've got, obviously, probes are my favorite, and you know how much we love Measurequick. So Measurequick is here with Navac at their booth. I really love this kit, and most of the kits out there don't have everything all in one. Right. I also love the bag configuration of this. A lot of the kits, you sort of have to fit things into this plastic sort of thing, and this actually gives you some additional room where you can put pieces and parts if you're sloppy like me, or you're not the foam fitting ones don't really work.
Well, the other problem there, of course, is this gives you the flexibility to build your kit based on your application, correct, right? So if you got to buy a preformed kit, it's us telling you, no, you do it this way,
right?
Or you do it with this many probes,
right?
This way, if you want to have the 3 psychrometers, you want to do kind of the more Measurequick stuff. We want to have outdoor ambient as well. We give you that ability,
yeah,
that flexibility.
This is exactly the type of bag that I, if I was still actually a real technician, that I don't know how to put it. You know what I mean?
Right.
But again, it gives you some additional space, even in the top, where you can fit some other things in
sure,
as you need to. So.
Sure.
We've got the Condensate Pump line, which we've actually done quite a bit with already, but just good, solid, quiet condensate pumps.
Yeah, a couple little things making a quick connect cord. So if we do want to pull this thing off of a unit, okay, and we want to service it, we don't want to do it crouched right in the area, we like to think that every system is set up in a nice, clean, open area for you to work. But we know that as built, it's usually not that way.
Yep. I always have to stop and look at these big,
so these
big
are fun
boys because
right?
These are.
This is our vacuum technology team over here. So this is all our industrial applications.
Yep.
You want to see something real cool over here? This is a dual helix oilless screw pump. Yep. Right? I get that right, Evan? Yep. All right. Evan's the man over here. He's our VT,
very
product
nice.
manager.
And what are the typical applications where you would see this type of pump?
Typically, you'd be looking at the helix driver or dry screw technology in aerospace, semiconductor. We might even get into a little food packaging and processing if they want to go in a dry technology, but sometimes you see a little bit wet if you needed that. So typically with our rough technology, I know that HVAC is in 200 to 500 microns. A lot of our technologies will look at, say, 0.02 microns or maybe 0.002, and then we'll use a completely different technology to get us a few decades even lower than that, pending the application. So things get a little bit crazy for us.
Yeah, and I see here even water-cooled technology. And again, like this guy here, I mean, they're market refrigeration, that kind of thing. You could see this potentially, or
ATC.
Again, you've got the KF style. Yeah, we've got the whole vacuum pump line. These are the pumps we've talked about for years. The cordless pumps, the micron gauge on board, all these technologies that we've talked about. Some of the best pumps on the market, obviously available at distribution and at 3Tech Tools.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community. For techs, by techs.